Do I have costs that qualify in an R&D project? So you've decided you have a qualifying project that ticks all the boxes and also have identified which scheme your claim is going to be under. The next step is to identify the costs that qualify. A strong linkage exists between the project narrative and the project costs, as R&D begins when a company seeks to resolve scientific or technological uncertainty and ends when that uncertainty is either resolved or you stop trying to resolve it. Failed projects can qualify. If you cannot define the scientific or technological uncertainties you faced, then fundamentally you have no R&D claim. A further important point is that depending on how the project is identified, it could have many strands, some of which are about technological scientific uncertainty and some of which are not. It is therefore crucial to make judgments about timelines and R&D content in projects in the correct way. Once you've decided that, the costs you can claim are staff costs, subcontractor costs, noting that there are different rules for large companies and connected companies, externally provided workers known as EPWs, again there are different rules for connected staff providers, consumable costs, and finally software costs. Each cost header has specific rules around them and must be claimed in the correct way. The biggest mistake we see companies make when claiming without having taken advice and then subsequently asking us for help and inquiry are firstly, a small amount of R&D in a project lets us claim 100% of the project costs. Remember, claimable costs are restricted around resolving scientific or technological uncertainties. To not grasp this is to not understand the R&D schemes. The only way 100% is ever justifiable is if every minute of every day is about resolving those uncertainties. In a commercial company, this is unlikely. The commercial project and the routine development project need separating out from the R&D element to claim correctly. And secondly, companies try to shoehorn other costs into the 5 key headers. For example, rent, rates, IT hosting, telecoms, capital expenditure, or cash expenditure have been used as consumables. None of these are claimable. Costs that can be claimed are defined by legislation. It is worth getting professional advice. Check out our claim calculator to see how much your claim might be worth and how much better off you would be with our help. Or contact us today to start your claim.